Hello, everybody. Welcome to IT Skills channel because today we're gonna bring an exciting news. And in this news is all about VMware. As you can see behind me, we're gonna talk about VMware, and this is gonna be good for all of us who have been anxiously waiting because we won. I believe we won. But first of all, before I get into the video about this amazing news regarding VMware, please like the channel, subscribe, and let's try to grow this channel and so we can bring in awesome content. So first things first, I want to also thank my members, I teach members. Thank you very much for being a member. And those of you who subscribe, stay patient on the channel, thank you as well. And those of you who are not a member, please consider becoming a member. That will help us so much. So without further ado, let's talk about the news. What are we here for? We're here for VMware. And so VMware, it's awesome. And I'm actually been doing a lot of research on it. And so basically, if you look at any news regarding VMware, you can see here, there's a lot of news here and there, but this is the one we're looking at it right now. You can see here, VMware is suddenly offering a free hypervisor once again. Well, this actually is a little bit old news. I kind of waited a little bit longer to confirm this, and I actually confirmed it on my own, and that it is legit. VMware did retract their statement, or Broadcom retract their statement. As you remember, the saga up about a year or so ago, 2023, they decided to discontinue VMware. After they purchased the VMware, they decided to discontinue the hypervisor being free. A lot of people got upset. Some people jumped ship to being using their home lab on VMware to Proxmox, Nutanix community, Hyper-V, you name it. And the customers that actually stayed, they were forced to convert to subscription model instead of perpetual model, which even though we know VMware is known for having perpetual model. So now it's been almost 2 years. I think it's almost 2 years now that has VMware Broadcom has gotten a lot of slack from people, from reviewers to customers to enterprise, and they lost a lot of battle. So in this case, I guess they decided let's make the ESXi hypervisor free again. So this version VMware ESXi 8 is free for us, and it would be available for anyone who's trying to build a home lab. Now, this is not a production version, so if you're trying to use this for production, you need to figure out something else. This is for home labs and people who are trying to play around with VMware. So, as you know, with a lot of us using home labs, we like free stuff, and this is great. Welcome. To get started, here's how it works. So you have to log into your Broadcom account. So here's the Broadcom website. When you go here, you have to sign in. You can see I signed in already. And after that, you have to be able to go ahead and hit downloads. And sometimes it doesn't yield anything. So you can see I downloaded recently something, VMware. I downloaded VMware here. And then the other option you can do is you can just go to search for downloads here. Under the support, it gives you a bunch of download. But the way I recommend here is if you go here, support.vmware.com or the support.broadcom.com/group/ex/download. That's the website. Once you go there, you simply gonna be able to go hit my downloads, and in here you're gonna click on free available downloads. You're gonna see a bunch of things they're offering for free. I'm only focusing on this one, even though they have the Workstation Pro as free as well. We're focusing on this one because this one is important. So we can come over here, click here. Once we do, we can click here, and then we're gonna hit download. Click here. It's gonna come over here, and you're gonna click the option to download it here. Once you download it, it's gonna download it to your computer. You're gonna save it, and there you have it. So that's again an exciting welcome for all of us. We wanted this to be free for so many years, or so many. It felt like years, right? But it hasn't been years. But now it's free. It's amazing. And there you have it. If you are actually somebody who's a fan of VMware, you can now take advantage of this free offer. It will help you massively, and it will help your home lab massively. If you were considering of, let's just say, why do I need to change? I love my VMware. Now you can do it. In the next video, I might be able to go ahead and actually do a nested hypervisor with running VMware ESXi hypervisor on top of Nutanix, or having ESXi running on top inside my Intel NUC. We're gonna do something similar we did a couple years ago. Maybe it's gonna be a throwback video to test this new free hypervisor. There you have it, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you for being a member. Those of you who are a member of IT Skills channel, we really appreciate your support. And if you have not become a member, please consider becoming a member. That will help us so much. Until next time, guys, have a good day. Peace.